and this is a video of Minecraft in real life. Now, I got some moves, as you can see. Those are gonna give me jet boosters whenever I'm mining. Because my job is mining. And I gotta mine for people so I can get some money. Well, that's my baby sister. Hey, say hello, Brie. She's holding the cat that I got for her. It took a while to get her. Now, this is my house. It's not that good, but okay. I gotta go underground. Okay, underground. A block of iron. Haven't been able to make some armor yet. Okay, we got it. I got it. It's my inventory. I get paid pretty good. I get paid diamonds. I don't really use my diamonds much because they only give me like 3 a piece. I'm waiting till I can get like a couple stacks of it, and I can buy the materials to make a better house and make some armor and some better tools. Yeah, that's my old house. Baby's still inside. This is a dog I tried to get so many times, and I succeeded. I leave her in the mine, so whenever I feel lonely, she can help me with my mining. Okay, look, it's directly at my shadow. So you're gonna see my shadow the whole video. No, you're not. You can see my pickaxe and my dogs. Okay. Okay guys, this is going to be the end of this video, and I'll make more. See you later. Bye.